वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षि भास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसङ्ग्रहम्. In Artha Sangraha, we were seeing यागादिहि यजेत स्वर्ग काम इत्यादि वाक्येन स्वर्गमुद्दिश्य पुरुषं प्रति विधीयते. Here we are seeing what is Veda Pratipadya Dharma, and that is in this yajeta there is a vidhi. तथा हि यजेत इति अत्र अस्ति अंशद्वयम्. There are two parts we saw yesterday, yaj dhatu and ta is the pratyaya, which is vidhiling here. Pratyaya api, in the pratyaya also there are two amshas. Pratyaya api asti amshadvaya. These two amshas you have to remember. Akhyatatvam, lingtvam cha. Akhyatatvam, lingtvam. In these, akhyatatvam, tatra akhyatatvam. Akhyatatvam is dasha lakara sadharanam. Akhyatatvam is there in all 10 lakaras. Means all lakaras will be called, they will have akhyatatvam, means they are akhyata. And lingtvam is there only in ling lakara. It is not there in all. Like lotvam will be in lot lakara only in this way. Yesterday we saw the tingtva. Tingtva, tiptas ji, sipthastha, mipvasmas. These are 9. And then ta atam jat, has atham dvam, idvahi mahi. These are the tingtva. The lat adi lakaras. You know what are the 10 lakaras? Everybody knows. There is an easy method, you know. There is an easy method to remember the sequence. You have to know them in sequence. So, I, U. How you know? Ayun relate. So, I, U, R. In this order, you have to remember. A, I, U, R means lat will be the first. Then after A comes E. So then lit, E. Then U. So lut, I, U. Then R. So R, lut, I, U, Ru. Then fifth one, you have to remember this most important, late. A, I, U, Ru. Then A, I, O, Au comes. So A is lay. Late is Vedic lakara. So 5 are over. Then lot. Lay, lie, low. So that is lot. A, I, O, Au. Lot. And then the 4 will have lung, ling. That ling is this one. In ling, vidhiling, ashirling. Lung, ling, lung, lung. How many are there total?
10.
If you count ling as 1, then 10. But sometimes late lakara is not according to Panini Vyakaran. Huh? So there is no Rupa, Pratpadanam, etc. in late lakara. So in Vyakarana, when you study, there are 10, excluding late in this way. So tatra akhyatvatvam dashalakara sadharanam. Lingtvam punar linga matre. Okay. Now this much you have to remember. There are two bhavanas. Arthi bhavana and Shabdi bhavana. Why I said Arthi bhavana first? Akhya tattva has A, Arthi bhavana has A. So Akhya tattva is Arthi bhavana. And what is not Akhya tattva, Lingtva, that will go in Shabdi bhavana. Parishesha is Shabdi bhavana. Okay. Now we are going to do this vichar. First, so I will give you an example. Is linked. Okay. Going to give the same standard example for consistency. We can be very creative in Drishtanta. But if you read any text, then consistently, same Drishtanta, if it is there, then it is useful. Okay. Let's say there are two people, Yajnadatta and Devadatta. Okay. Yajnadatta, Devadatta. Yajnadatta is Devadatta. Odanam pacha. Yajnadatta is instructing Devadatta. Odanam pacha means cook rice. So this is a Vidhi Vakya. Laukika. In this, Shabdi Bhavana is there in Yajnadatta. Because he is using Shabda Prayoga. He is using Shabda. So, Shabdi Bhavana is in Yajnadatta. Based on these Shabdas, in Devadatta's mind, a vritti comes that he is instructing me to do some karma. And therefore, the work that I have to do means I have to do some activity now. That activity is in the form of accomplishing what is instructed. This buddhi is called Arthi Bhavana. This is, in simple terms, using a Laukika Drishtanta. This Bhavana is one of the Mimamsa principles. Huh? So they have so many things. This is one of them. So it is an important concept. So Devadatta Pravritti, for it to rise, there is one Anukula Pravartaka. That Anukula Pravartaka Vyapara is Shabdi Bhavana of Yajnadatta. So it can be of anybody. Here it is of Yajnadatta. once again I'll say, Devadatta pravritti utpatti. It rises in his mind that I have to do some pravritti. That anukula pravartaka, a conducive prompter, is given by Devadatta, Yajnadatta, for Devadatta. So in Devadatta's buddhi, it is utpanna. This is called Shabdi Bhavana of Yajnadatta. And the act of cooking, for which some anusthana and tad anukula pravritti, which is seen in Devadatta, is called Arthi Bhavana. So Pakarthika Kriya, the cooking act, tad anukula.
Agar if it is not anukula pravartaka, then it is not sabdi bhavana.
Right now, you just take it as it is. As, see, there could be a lot of discussions on this. Right now, you just understand it is anukula pravritti. Anusthana anukula pravritti. Anukula or pratikula bhavana is there, whether you like it or not. If Devadatta doesn't want to cook, that does not mean it is not Shabdi Bhavana or Arthi Bhavana. They are there. Okay. Now see the next sentence. Bhavana vichara in our text. Page number 5. Ubhabhyam apyamshabhyam bhavanaiva ujyate. Ubhabhyam api amshabhyam. What are the two amshas?
Lingatvam,
Akhyatattva and lingtva. Akhyatattva and lingtva. By these two amshas, bhavana alone is mentioned. By emphasizing eva, what is eliminated is other than bhavana, means there is no karta, etc. is involved here. It is the bhavana. Ubhabhyam apyamshabhyam bhavana eva ujyate. Bhavana nama. Now what is bhavana? Bhavana nama bhavitur bhavananukulo bhavaitur vyapara visheshaha. Bhavana is what? Bhavana nama. This part you have to kind of know well. Bhavitur bhavananukulo bhavaitur vyapara visheshaha. So you highlight it in your book or whatever, and I will tell you what are these words. Bhavana, bhavita, bhavana, bhavaita. All these words. Bhavana, bhavita, bhavana, bhavaita. You see in the definition also, anukula shabda is there. Bhavana anukula. Anukula does not mean whether it is anukula for me or not. That nobody cares. Bhavana anukula it should be. All of them, these words have bhu dhatu. Bhavana shabda, bhu dhatu, lut pratyaya. Lut pratyaya will become bhavanam. Nich will become bhavanam. Stri pratyaya will become bhavana. Which Vyakarana you all know. Bhu dhatu, lut pratyay will make it bhavanam. Rijanta if you do bhavanam. Bhavanam means to make it bhavanam, bhavanam. And stri pratyay if you add bhavana. Bhavana. Then bhavituhu. Bhavituhu, bhavitru is the pratipadika. Bhavaituhu in that bhavaitru is the pratipadika. So those things we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti